Dear students, already we are learning about the concepts of trigonometric ratios and compound angles of trigonometric ratios. Now we come to the topic. So the topic name is multiple and submultiple angles. So how the trigonometric ratios have the nature among multiple angles and submultiple angles. Now let us discuss first what is a multiple angle and what is a submultiple angle. Here, look here. Let us consider theta is any angle. Here theta is any angle. If you consider for any angle theta, the angles 2 theta, 3 theta, 4 theta and so on like that. Here you can observe multiple of theta are positive numbers, positive integers. Theta multiple 2, 3, 4 like that. So for any angle theta, the angles 2 theta, 3 theta, 4 theta, 5 theta so on, these are called multiple angles. So these are called multiple angles. These are called multiple angles. And now what are submultiple angles? Let us again consider the angle theta. For this theta, the angles theta by 2, theta by 3, theta by 4, theta by 5 like this. These are called submultiple angles. These are called submultiple angles. So in our previous topic, we learn about the concept of compound angles, a plus b, a minus b, and how the trigonometric ratios having the formulas of a plus b, a minus b and a plus b plus c like that. Later in this topic, we are going to define multiple angles and submultiple angles, and we can verify some problems related to multiple angles and submultiple angles. This is one very important concept in trigonometry. Why? Because it has so many concepts using the multiple and submultiple angles. If you practice the formulas and concept well, so you can able to understand the concept of trigonometry very well. So this is a very important topic related to trigonometry, multiple and submultiple angles. Now we are going to see what are the formulas of the trigonometric ratios for the angle 2 theta, for the angle 3 theta and for the angle 4 theta. How we can define them, and later how we can find theta by 2, theta by 3 like that. So in our video we are going to define the concept of multiple angles and submultiple angles and how the trigonometric ratios are involving in multiple angles and submultiple angles. Now let us observe some formulas related to multiple angles, and that multiple angle is 2 theta. So the discussion is about the angle 2 theta. For this angle 2 theta, what is the formula for sine and what is the formula for cos, what is the formula for tan and what is the formula for cot? So later we will define how the formulas came. Now first let me explain the formulas first. The formula for sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta. You have to remember the practice the formula in terms of both directions. So in reverse direction, 2 sine theta cos theta formula is for sine 2 theta. Later formula for cos 2 theta, you have three variations for cos 2 theta. Observe that one. First one is cos square theta minus sin square theta. By changing cos square theta and sin square theta, you can get the remaining two formulas. For cos 2 theta, you have three formulas. One is cos square theta minus sin square theta. And if you want to get only in terms of cos, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1. And to get the formula in terms of tan, the formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. That is the formula for cos 2 theta. Later, observe tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta formula is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So practice in reverse order. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta. Again the formula for cot 2 theta is cot square theta minus 1 by 2 cot theta. So these are the formulas generally we are using in multiple angle 2 theta. Generally 4 ratios. If you need cosecant, secant, so it is better to change cosecant as 1 by sine and secant as 1 by cos. So remembering all trigonometric ratios is not possible. That's why better to practice to remember and practice the formula sine, cos, tan. So under remaining trigonometric ratios, if needed, you can use their reciprocals. For cosecant, use sine, making it as 1 by sine. For secant, use cos, make it as 1 by cos. And for cot, you can use tan. So for cot theta, it is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So by using like that, you can able to go for remaining trigonometric ratios also. Now let us observe how these formulas came. So we know the formula of sin a plus b, cos a plus b. Already we derived these formulas in compound angles topic. Let me consider one thing. Sin a plus b. What is the formula of sin a plus b? Which is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is the formula of sin a plus b. So to get sin 2 theta value, you have to take a and b both as a theta. So we are considering a value as a theta and b value as theta, so that it becomes sin theta plus theta, which is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Replace a and b both are with the theta, plus cos theta sin theta. So sin theta plus theta, it will become 2 theta. Sin theta into cos theta. You can write cos theta into sin theta as sin theta into cos theta also. A into b, b into a, both are same. So you will get the formula for sin 2 theta, which is sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta, which is 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is the formula for sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta, and practice in reverse order. 2 sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta. So to get the formula cos 2 theta, so you have to consider cos a plus b. What is the formula of cos a plus b? Which is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is the formula for cos a plus b. Now put a is equal to b is equal to theta again to get cos 2 theta. So cos theta plus theta becomes cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta. So it will become cos 2 theta. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. So that you will get cos 2 theta formula is cos square theta minus sin square theta. If you want to make this formula only in terms of cos, so then you have to replace sin square theta with 1 minus cos square theta. So if you want to get the formula only in terms of cos, so you have to change sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. So multiplying minus into the bracket, you will get minus 1 plus cos square theta. Plus cos square theta plus cos square theta becomes 2 cos square theta minus 1. You will get the formula in terms of cos only. If you want to change the formula only in terms of sin, then you have to change the value of cos square theta. Write cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. So that you will get 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So the basic formula for cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is the basic formula, and changing cos square theta with 1 minus sin square theta, you will get cos square cos 2 theta, another format 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and changing sin square theta with 1 minus cos square theta, you will get another formula which is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So these are the formulas of sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Similarly, you may get an idea how the angle 2 theta occur here. So taking sin a plus b, you will get sin 2 theta. Taking cos a plus b, you will get cos 2 theta. So you may got an idea how tan 2 theta comes. So here observe. Again you have formula tan A plus B, which is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. To get tan 2 theta value, again take A and B both as a theta. So that tan theta plus theta becomes tan theta plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into tan theta. So that you will get tan 2 theta formula, which is tan 2 theta is equal to tan theta plus tan theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into tan theta is tan square theta. So this is the formula of tan 2 theta. Later you may find what is cot 2 theta. What is the formula of cot A plus B? If you write the formula of cot A plus B, let me write it again, cot A plus B. What is the formula of cot A plus B? Which is cot A cot B, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. This is the formula of cot A plus B. Cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. So replacing A and B with theta, you will get this one. Cot theta plus theta is 2 theta, which is equal to cot theta into cot theta is cot square theta minus 1 by cot theta plus cot theta, which is 2 cot theta. In the same manner, you can do cot 2 theta also. So we never use cot 2 theta like that. If you need the formula cot 2 theta, if you can remember tan 2 theta, you can use it. So cot 2 theta is nothing but 1 by tan 2 theta. So then you can go in terms of tan. Later if you want to get the formula for cot, then replace tan theta with 1 by cot theta. So you will be able to get the formula. So these are the formulas of multiple angle 2 theta. For the angle 2 theta, what are the formulas of sine, cos, tan, cot? You have to remember all these in both directions. From LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS, you have to practice in both ways. So we have already practiced the multiple angle 2 theta and trigonometric ratios of sine, cos, tan, cot, how they have formulas related to the angle 2 theta. Now you can observe some more formulas related to the same format, and you may observe closely. You have same format as already we learned in the multiple angle 2 theta. So there is a small change. If you observe that one, you can get the formulas very easily. So here the formula for sine theta here. What is the formula for sine theta? Which is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So you have to practice the format instead of practicing formulas, how the concept of format sine 2 theta and sine theta came. By that you can practice to do many more values using the same format. Again, sine theta is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and cos theta is cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2. So changing only in terms of cost, you will get 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, and in terms of sine is 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. And again the formula of tan theta is 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. So actually we practice the formula sine 2 theta. We obtain this one. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Sorry, 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine 2 theta formula is 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine 2 theta is like that. So you want to get the formula for sine theta. Actually we need to get what is this in the same format. What is the formula for sine theta? So you just change that theta like this, 2 into theta by 2, which is again you can read as sine 2 theta. So treating theta by 2 as a theta, it is again similar to sine 2 theta. So using that same formula sine 2 theta, it will become 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So treating theta as 2 into theta by 2. That means the formulas came here by replacing theta with theta by 2. The previous all formulas replacing theta with theta by 2. You can get all these formulas. Again, we have cos 2 theta. What is cos 2 theta? That is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Actually, we already practiced cos 2 theta formula, that is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now, we want to know what is the formula for cos theta. So that you have an idea to change cos theta as 2 into theta by 2. 2 into theta by 2 is again theta. So now it seems to be cos 2 theta, so that you can change this one cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 by using the formula cos 2 theta. So reading this theta by 2 as theta, it seems to be cos 2 theta. So that it will become cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. So finding sin theta and cos theta by using sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta formats. So again you have the similar concept. To get the formula in terms of cos, replace sin square theta by 2 with 1 minus cos square theta by 2. You will get this one, 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. And if you want to get the formula in terms of sine, so then change cos square theta by 2 as 1 minus sin square theta by 2, so that you will get 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So these are the formulas for cos theta, that is cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Here you have to practice like this. Then remember, what is the formula for sin theta by 2 in that same format? You have to try like that. Using sin 2 theta, you can able to write sin theta. So now what is sin theta by 2? So writing sin theta by 2 with the 2 multiple, so it will become theta by 4. So that it will become again like sin 2 theta. So use that format. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So treating theta by 4 as a theta. So this is 2 sin theta by 4 cos theta by 4. So you can split like that. So you have to practice like that. Let us think, what is sin 6 theta? What is sin 6 theta? How you can split that one, sin 6 theta? So if you want to do in the same format, write 6 theta as 2 into 3 theta. Now again you can read that one as 2 into 3 theta, which is sin 2 theta, so that it will become 2 sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta. So here practicing with the format is very important. Instead of by hearting the formula, it is not useful. So you have to practice the formulas and you can able to do many values like that. So let us try what is the value of cos 40 degrees. What is the value of cos 40 degrees? Using the formats already we have. So you can write this one as cos square 20 degrees minus sin square 20 degrees. So you can write 40 as 2 into 20. So theta will become 20 in that format, cos square theta minus sin square theta, which is the original format of the cos 2 theta. So if you replace theta with 20, you will get this one, cos 40 degrees. So this is the way you can try to practice the expansions of sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, and later sin theta and sin cos theta. You can practice like that, so many values you have. Similarly, what is tan theta? How you obtain that one, tan theta? So now changing theta as a 2 multiple, which is 2 into theta by 2. So which seems to be tan 2 theta. Already you have the formula for tan 2 theta. What is the formula of tan 2 theta? 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So now this will become 2 tan theta. Here theta remains theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. This is how you can able to establish some more formulas. So by this you can able to expand sin theta, cos theta, tan theta like that. Already we established the formulas of cos 2 theta and cos theta, sin 2 theta and sin 2 theta. So by using that one we can able to practice some different formats using that formulas. Let me write what is the formula for cos theta. Already we obtained the formula for cos theta. We obtained in terms of cos, that is 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. The formula for cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So to get one format, I am converting this one by changing minus 1 to LHS. It will become plus 1. 1 plus cos theta becomes 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta, it will become 2 cos square theta by 2. So that cos square theta by 2 value is moving to other side, which becomes 1 plus cos theta whole divided by 2. So taking one formula in our previous concept, which is cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So you can able to write the formula for cos square theta by 2. So that you will get the value of cos theta by 2 later. What is the value of cos theta by 2? Removing square from LHS. So you have plus or minus to the RHS and the square root of 1 plus cos theta whole divided by 2. So you have one formula for cos theta by 2. So which is the plus or minus root 1 plus cos theta whole by 2. So here remember, for any trigonometric ratio, plus or minus only depend upon the quadrant of the angle. Here for the angle theta by 2, and in which quadrant theta by 2 lies, based on that you will get plus or minus. Remember. So here mentioning plus or minus, you don't wrongly understood, both values are there. It is only one possible value which is depend upon theta by 2. Similarly, what is the another format for cos theta? Already we have cos theta, its another format in terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So changing this equation like this, taking minus 2 sin square theta by 2 to LHS and cos theta to RHS, it will become like that. 2 sin square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta. By this, what is sin square theta by 2? Which is 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 2. So the value of sin square theta you can remember like that, 1 minus cos theta whole by 2. By that again, what is sin theta by 2? So you have plus or minus root 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 2. So by using the formula of cos theta in terms of sin, you can able to find one more formula which is sin theta by 2. That is plus or minus root 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 2. Now let us go for what is tan theta by 2 in terms of cos. Tan theta by 2, you can write that one as a sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Tan is nothing but sin by cos. Already you have sin theta by 2 here, plus or minus root 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 2 whole divided by plus or minus root 1 plus cos theta whole divided by 2. So again you have plus or minus, don't cancel both values. Plus or minus is only the indication. It may be plus or minus, not both. So again you have, if it is positive and if it is negative, you will get negative as the final answer. If numerator is negative and denominator is positive, you will get negative. So both are positive, you will get positive, or both are negative, you will get positive. So you have different possibilities here. Don't cancel both plus or minus. So in numerator, denominator both will get cancelled, and don't understood that one. It is only a positive value. So plus or minus indicates it may be plus or it may be minus. So you can cancel 2 in numerator and denominator. You will get format like this, which is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So I have the formula for tan theta by 2. Later if you reverse this one, you will get it for cot theta by 2. The formula for cot theta by 2 is root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. If you observe all these formats, in the RHS part of the formulas, we have the angle cos theta only. You have the value cos theta only. So you have to remember these formulas. If you know the value of cos theta, if you know cos theta value, so if you know the value of cos theta value, then you can able to find all these sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2, tan theta by 2 and cot theta by 2. That means you have to get an idea. If you know any angle theta, by using these formulas, you can able to find it's a half of the angle. If you know 30 degrees, all we know the value of 30 degrees for all trigonometric ratios. For cos theta also, what is the value of cos 30? Which is root 3 by 2. So replacing theta with 30, what is the value of 30 by 2? 15. So you will get value of cos 15 by using like this sin 15, tan 15 and cot 15. Already we find the formulas of cos 15 degrees in compound angles using compound angle formulas. So here also by using multiple submultiple angle formulas also you can able to find 15 degrees also. Again we know the value of 45 degrees. Let me write one. If you put theta as a 45 degrees, then how this formula becomes 45 by 2. Cos 45 by 2 is equal to plus or minus root 1 plus cos 45 whole divided by 2. What is the value of cos 45 by 2? Which is 22.5. So that plus or minus root cos 45, we know that one is 1 by root 2 by 2. So you have an idea. 22.5 is the quadrant 1 angle. So cos has a positive sign. So it is only positive. It cannot be negative. Why? Because 22.5 is a positive angle. So taking LCM to the numerator in the bracket, which becomes like this, root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Already you have 2 in the denominator. Also the LCM value root 2 becomes to the move to the denominator. So you have the value of cos 25.5 degrees. You have the value of cos 25.5 degrees. So you have an idea how, if you know 45 degrees, you can find 22.5. If you know 30 degrees, you can find 15 degrees using these formulas. Again, if you know 15 degrees values, what is the half of 15? 7.5. So you can able to find 7.5. So you have one observation. In the first topic we learn and we remember only some values 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Later in compound angles, after verifying some formulas, we can able to find some more values 15, 75 like that. Using compound angle formulas, we can able to find some more values 15 and 75. Here after using compound angle formulas, multiple and submultiple angle formulas, we can able to find some more values like 22.5. You can also find 67.5 also. If you know 22.5, its a complementary angle is 67.5. So you can able to find 67.5 also. So if you know 15 degrees, you can able to find 7.5 also. So you have to practice like this. So the overall concept of these formulas are, if you know the value of cos theta, then you can find some concept related to theta by 2, whether it is sine, whether it is cos or tan or cot, you can find anything. Okay, by using theta by 2 formats in terms of cos theta, we can able to find some trigonometric ratios values. This is very important concept. So you have to remember these formulas also. This is another one important format you have to remember. You have to practice. This is also one formula. What is the value of 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta? So remember this one more formula. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. This is another very important formula you have to remember. And what is the formula for 1 minus cos theta, which is 2 sin square theta by 2. So you can observe these two here. These are no more new formulas. These are already we consider in this format. So it is a very important format in doing problematic approach. Whenever you have an expression in this format, you can convert into 2 cos square theta by 2. And if you have the expression like this 1 minus cos theta, you can change that one in terms of sine, 2 sine square theta by 2. So these are the formulas related to submultiple angles and multiple angles. Both are here. So finally you have to remember the formulas here. Let me explain once again. The cos theta by 2 formula is plus or minus root 1 plus cos theta all divided by 2. And this is the formula for sin theta by 2, which is root 1 minus cos theta by 2. And doing sin by cos, you will get the formula for tan theta by 2, which is root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, and its reverse will be cot theta by 2. So here once again let me remind you all, here mentioning plus or minus doesn't indicate it has both values. It has only either plus or minus, which is depend upon the value of the theta by 2. So never think like that it has both values. So either plus or minus. So this is one concept related to the multiple and submultiple angles. Now let us observe one more concept related to multiple angles. If we know the value of tan theta, actually we know the value of tan theta. So now you can able to write the formulas of multiple angle 2 theta, sin 2 theta. So we have formula of sin 2 theta in terms of tan, and cos 2 theta in terms of tan, and already we use this one tan 2 theta formula. Actually already we practiced that one. Now what is the formula of sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta? So which is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is the formula of sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And now the formula for cos 2 theta in terms of tan is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is the formula of cos 2 theta, which is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And already we use this one, tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So if you observe the formulas of sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta, both seems to be similar with a small change. Here remember like this, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta. So you have to remember both the formulas with a similar format and very small change. One is sin 2 theta and another one is cos 2 theta. And another formula cos 2 theta in terms of tan is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So these are the formulas you have to use. If you know about theta, actually you know the value of theta, and you need to get information from 2 theta. If you know theta and you need the information about 2 theta, then tan theta is required. Previously we discussed one concept. To know the concept of theta by 2, cos theta is required there. If cos theta is already we know that one, you can able to establish some formulas related to theta by 2. Here also tan theta is known, you can able to write about 2 theta angle, 2 theta information. Now let me check first one, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Why this is sin 2 theta? How this came? We have sin 2 theta, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, by tan square theta is sin square theta by cos square theta. Numerator LCM is cos theta and denominator LCM is cos square theta. So which is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here you will get the expression reverse manner. 2 sin theta by cos theta into cos square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. So you can cancel one cos theta and square from numerator and denominator. So you have 2 sin theta into 1 cos theta is remaining there. And you know cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. And we know 2 into sin theta into cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. Already we practiced that one. 2 into sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta. So the value of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, which becomes sin 2 theta later. Now how cos 2 theta is in terms of tan theta. Now again start with 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. In the same manner, convert tan square theta as sin square theta by cos square theta by 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. So considering LCM to both numerator and denominator, you come to this step. Cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta whole divided by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. You can cancel both cos square theta. So under the remaining part is cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta. These two are formulas. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Already we practiced that one, that is cos 2 theta. And cos square theta plus sin square theta is the identity, that is 1. So you will get the value of cos 2 theta. So 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, you will come to cos 2 theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, which will become sin 2 theta. Already we practiced this one, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. You can obtain this one in this manner also. Here observe, consider 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. You can do in the same manner, you will get tan 2 theta. What is tan theta? Sin by cos. 1 minus tan square theta is sin square theta by cos square theta. So taking LCM, you will come to this step. 2 sin theta into cos theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. One cos theta will cancel. You have the similar format here. Only the difference is minus. So that you will get 2 sin theta cos theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. So that you will get sin by cos, that is tan. So you will get the formula for tan 2 theta. So these are the formulas of 2 theta in terms of tan theta.